Yo, so today let's talk about rice water. We're going to talk about black rice water here. So we use the forbidden black rice in our Yum Yum black rice water, and this is what I'm going to use today in my hair to show you all just how I like to do it. You don't have to do it this way. Obviously, you can do it your own way, but this is how I like to do it. So I'm going to start with the hair here. Boom. I'm just going to spritz it in there. Sprittle, sprittle, sprittle. Sprittle, 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 like a pretzel and the mitzel. Shambitzel, yeah, spritzel, whatever. Spritz it in there, get nice and moist. Now, of course, it is a water consistency, so it is going to be a little loose. But you want to make sure you get it in there. You shake it up well. You need to shake this up well because it has vegetable glycerin and Jamaican black castor, along with some other essential oils to help make things even better. All right, so you put that in there. You rub it in there deep, get it in really deep, and just make sure you massage the area completely. All right, get every nook, every cranny of your hair. Then I'm going to take the agave butter. You can use any butter really that's light and soft. It's a very light and soft butter, so I'm choosing this one just a little bit to help lock in some of this Yum Yum moisture. All right, I'm just going to lock a little bit in there before I put my bonnet on. So I got to put it in there, massage in there again, make sure it works out perfectly. Yes, there we go. So yes, the rubber dub. Now I'm going to take my my pick. Right, I'm going to use my pick here just to massage the scalp. All right, I'm getting all the soap and stuff off from a video I did earlier. You know, I don't want to have any soap on there. I'm just going to massage it in there. Now, this is just getting the blood circulation to flow so my hair can flourish, grow, and look fantastically delicious, you know. Look yum-tastic out here in these streets. Just getting boom, 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 boom. Add a little bit more on top of that just because I like to overdo it, right? So my strategy is Yum Yum, butter, Yum Yum, right? Because if I missed any spots with the butter, I want to get it there. Then I'm getting the fresh Nettergo bonnet, fresh out the pack. You all don't have this. This is fresh off the shelves. My hands are too buttery to open the packaging. I'm going to save the packaging for later. It's not single use. It's double use or triple use, depending on what I want to use it for. Boom. Probably use it to hold like a dirty diaper or something. And bam, there we go. Put the fresh bonnet on the head, and your boy is clean. Look at that. Gold head all day. Subscribe to the channel. Catch y'all later. Deuces!